Hello everyone, welcome to Color Our World of Art. We're making a little boat out of a cardboard roll today. These are the materials. First, on a piece of cardboard, trace the circular tube twice to make 2 circles. Cut them out of the cardboard with a pair of scissors. Next, cover the circles with an adhesive shelf liner or waterproof paper with glue, which you will also use to cover the rest of your boat. This is to help the boat be able to float. When cutting the excess material off, leave roughly 1 cm around the circle. Snip the edge into smaller tabs by cutting vertical lines into it. Then fold those tabs over to secure the attached liner onto the circle. Now, done. Cut 2 lines along the length of the cardboard tube to cut out a vertical section to make the boat body. Then cover the rest of the tube with adhesive liner. It is best to cut out a liner with width longer than the leftover curve of the tube. Then when sticking it on, you can fold over a section to secure it on the tube while carefully rolling the rest of the liner onto the tube. Next, line glue on the curved ends of the roll to slot in the 2 circles into the tube ends, pattern facing out. Lastly, cut out a quarter circle and glue on a skewer onto its longer straighter edge to make a sail. Stick the end of the skewer into the middle of the boat. Get ready now to sail with us! Thank you for watching Color Our World of Art. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you soon.